Downloading data from Shopify is a straightforward process that allows you to access your store's information for analysis or backup. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify store by entering your credentials on the Shopify login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to download data. Step 2. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to the admin dashboard. From here, locate the menu on the left side of the screen to find the section containing the data you want to download. Step 3. Select the data type. Choose the specific type of data you wish to download, such as orders, products, customers, or reports. Click on the relevant section to view the data. Step 4. Export the data. Look for an export button or option within the selected data section. Click on it, and you may be prompted to choose the format for the download, such as CSV or Excel. Select your preferred format and confirm the export. Step 5. Download the file. After the export process is complete, a download link will usually appear. Click on the link to download the file to your computer. Check your downloads folder to access the file. Now you have successfully downloaded your data from Shopify. This information can be used for various purposes, such as analysis, reporting, or backup.